Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Weng Sensei, your online tutor. Our expression of the day is, in that case. We use the expression in that case when we take something in consideration. Example conversation. I want to join the basketball team. That's good. In that case, we can practice together. See you tomorrow. Okay, see you. Complete this conversation using the video. Use in that case in your response. Let's try this. Hey Dad, Dan and Mike are joining our basketball team. Type your answer on the comment section. For the next expression of the day, we will use, it slipped my mind. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get your expression of the day. Like and share this video and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Weng Sensei, your online tutor.